Instagram Reels are one of the most effective ways to organically reach your audience and potential customers in 2022, and anyone can simply create vertical format videos in minutes to take advantage of Instagram Reels. Hey guys, Stewart here. Welcome back to another small business tutorial. Today I'm going to launch into a brief Instagram Reels tutorial and share how you can simply create, upload, and distribute your Instagram Reels in order to build your audience and reach more customers on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so before we go ahead and launch into this Instagram Reels tutorial, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that happy note out the way, let's go ahead and grow your small business with Instagram Reels. Okay, so how can you simply create Reels for your business so that you can reach more customers on both Facebook and Instagram? Well, as a business, you first want to create an Instagram business account. If you currently do not have an Instagram business account, what I'll do is link a beginner's tutorial up above and down below in the description that will guide you through the process of creating your Instagram business account. Then on your account, what you can do is click Home, and click this plus icon up the top. Then simply select the video that you want to use in your reel from your phone, then navigate up to Next. And this is where we can make a few basic customizations to our reel. If we navigate down the bottom, we can trim the reel, we can make it shorter if we like, and if we navigate up to the top, we have the option to download this reel onto our phone. Next to that, we can go ahead and add music, voiceover, or sound effects. If we click Done, we can also add filters, but I'm going to leave that off for now. And we can also add stickers or emojis to our reel. Simply search a keyword related to the type of element that you want to add to your video. If we exit out of this, next to that we can go ahead and we can draw anything that we like on our video. Again, I'm going to click Done. And last, we can add text to our reel. And we have different text formats down below. What I'm going to do is go ahead and click Done and then click on Next. And here you want to add a caption about your reel, as well as a call to action if you have one. Basically, what do you want people to do once they've watched your reel? Then below Reels, we can tag people, we can also add a location, and to get further reach, what you can do is connect your Instagram business account with your Facebook business page. And that's going to allow you to not only add your reel on Instagram, but you can also add your reel to Facebook. And again, this is going to allow you to reach more people and more potential customers. And when you're happy with your completed new business reel, simply navigate down and click on Share or Save as Draft, and you can post this reel later on. Now, if you want to have more freedom to actually customizing your reel and editing your videos before you post your business reel onto Instagram and Facebook, then what you can do is use a powerful video editing tool called Invideo. And by using a powerful and easy to use video editing software like Invideo, you can simply create business reels or other types of videos in minutes and publish these across your different channels. And to get started with Invideo, simply head over to your browser and type in invideo.io, and that's going to take you here, or feel free to click the link in our description below this video, and again, you'll arrive at this Invideo landing page. Now, it's important to note that this video is sponsored by Invideo. We use this product nearly every day to create video content for our different social media channels. So thank you, Invideo, for sponsoring this video. And once you've arrived here, simply navigate up to Pricing. And one of my favorite things about Invideo is they offer a completely free plan that allows you to test this video editing software to see if it works for you. Then when you're happy with your video that you've just created, you can go ahead and download the video completely for free. However, your video will have a watermark. And therefore, if you want to remove this watermark and you're happy with Invideo, simply go ahead and upgrade to the business plan or the unlimited plan. With each of these plans, you also have access to Invideo's new app that allows you to simply create and edit video content from your phone. Okay, so let's get started. Go ahead and sign up for free, and if you're happy with your video and you want to download that video without a watermark, then you can simply upgrade to a paid plan. Okay, so I already have an Invideo account, so what I'll do is meet you inside my Invideo account and walk you through the process of creating a reel using Invideo. Okay, so here I am inside my Invideo account. Now you can see we have all these suggested templates that we can build from if we like, or we can create a reel from scratch. Now over on the left hand side under filters, what we want to do is come down and click on portrait. And Invideo is going to generate thousands of pre-made video templates that you can build from. These are vertical format videos or portrait videos that you can use for your Instagram and Facebook Reels. And you can take the time to preview all these different video templates. If we navigate back over to filters and navigate over to type and industry, we can select the relevant type and industry based on the business video reels that we want to create. Or what we can do is navigate up to the search bar in the top right hand corner and type in a keyword related to our business. So for example, if I was a consulting business, what I could do is type in consulting and then select a suggested keyword. I'm going to go ahead and select consulting. And as you can see, Invideo is going to generate these consulting templates that I can use and build from. So for example, if I like the look of this video here, then what I can do is simply click on this template and then come down and click on Use Template. Give Invideo a moment to load your template, and this is where we can simply customize our video. Now on our video we can click each of these different elements, and that's going to generate these formatting options up above. I can go ahead and click Edit, and for example I can change the text to Grow Your. And it's as simple as that to change the text elements on your video. Again, I could click on this text element here, and I can simply navigate over here and change the text. Now over on the left hand side, I can click on templates, and I can choose another template I want to add or replace this template. I can also click on uploads, and I can upload my own media, for example my own photos and videos that I want to use to create my video. You can also access stock videos and stock images down here, as well as adding music to your video and more text elements. And you have more options down here as well. Now the beauty of Invideo is you can use all these templates, stock photos and images, as well as elements in your video. Now if we navigate over to the far right hand side, these are all the elements on your video. You can also come down and preview your video, and then when you're happy with your new video, simply navigate up to export and then come down and click on export. Now, if you want to dive deeper into all of Invideo's extensive and easy to use features when it comes to creating your own videos, then what I'll do is link a Invideo tutorial up above and down below in the description that will take you through a more comprehensive overview of leveraging Invideo. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and export this video. And if your video hasn't started downloading, simply navigate over and click on download. And as you can see, if I navigate down here, you can see I've already downloaded this video. Now what I'm going to do is quickly preview this downloaded video before I upload this video to Instagram as a reel. And I'm happy with this video. As you can see, it's a very basic video. I've made very few customizations to this actual video before using it as a reel. So what you want to do is take the time to customize and create your reel from pre-made templates, or you can create your video from scratch either within Instagram itself or by using a powerful and easy to use video editing platform like Invideo. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this brief Instagram Reels tutorial for small businesses. Now, if you have any questions about Reels, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.